Want to add photos or images to your video in Clipchamp? Images can make tutorials, presentations, slideshows, and social media videos more engaging and visually interesting. In this guide, I'll show you how to add images in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see your media library and timeline where you can organize your video. Next, select the option to import or add media. Browse your computer and choose the image or images you want to use. Select the files and add them to your Clipchamp media library. Once your images are imported, drag the image you want onto the timeline. You can place it before, between, or after your video clips depending on how you want it to appear in the final video. To control how long the image stays on screen, select the image clip and adjust its duration on the timeline. Drag the edge of the clip to make it shorter or longer. Next, use the preview controls to resize or reposition the image. You can adjust the framing so the image fits your video without covering important content. Take a moment to make sure everything is aligned properly. If the image doesn't fit your video frame correctly, use the available crop controls to remove unwanted areas. Adjust the framing until the important part of the image is clearly visible. You can also add multiple images to create a slideshow or combine photos with video clips. Arrange each image on the timeline and adjust their duration and order to create the sequence you want. Finally, play your project from beginning to end and check the image placement, timing, and overall appearance. When you're satisfied, select Export, choose your preferred video quality, and create the finished video. And that's how to add images in Clipchamp in 2026. Import your images, place them on the timeline, adjust their duration and position, crop them if needed, preview your project, and export the final video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.